Today I'm gonna be making Oklahoma onion burgers with chili. Some of the chili that we made yesterday for the Coney Island hot dogs, I got some left over, and we're gonna have that. So give us a few minutes and we'll get started. Okay, we're gonna get started with slicing some onions. I got my mandolin slicer, and I'm placing it on top of a bowl. And there you go. Now we're cutting. Okay, I got done slicing my onions, and I want to show you how thin that is. And I'll give them a rough chop on the hamburger. Now this is just regular brown onion, but I got sweet onion cause this is gonna cook, but the other one is gonna be on the hamburger raw. So I'm just gonna cut it down like this. And that's all she wrote. Okay, now I'm gonna put it back in the bowl. That onion is strong. That's the difference between sweet onions and brown onions. Brown onion is strong. So, okay, I decided I want some grilled jalapenos with that, so I am gonna slice some of these up. I know it's dangerous using this without the guide, but I am watching. I'm not looking at the camera. I am just looking at this. Oh, you get the idea. See, they come out like that, and I'm gonna grill them. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fry the jalapenos up real quick. That pan is hot. A little bit of oil. I'm gonna turn on our fan. Finish with salt and pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. And that should do that. Okay, I made some meatballs. Basically, they're just about this size if you can see them. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some grease. Grease our pan. It's hot. It's been sitting there for a while, hot. And now watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put them on there just like that. And now I made this specially for this type of thing. It's I bought a brand new cement trowel and I trimmed it. And the reason why I bought it, I did this so I could have it to press down on it. Watch. See that? That's what I wanted. Just like that. You need the fat so it could cook up right. We'll see you in a minute. All right, now we're gonna put a little salt, a little pepper. Okay, now watch this. Oklahoma onion burger. This is regular brown onion. Let that cook for a minute. cheese over here. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit on top here like that. Some pickles, one more patty. A little bit more onion, grilled onion. Can you see that? And then just a little bit more onion. Jalapeno. Now I'm gonna top it with chili. I topped it with chili. There it is. Can you see it? All right, now I'm gonna put the bun on top. All right, right on. It's definitely big.
That's what I gave you.
Let's see. I can't say it needs anything. It's perfect. The chili, it sat for a day and it got even better. The hamburger's good. I taste the cheese. I taste the onion. I mean, definitely a great hamburger. I invite you to try it yourself. Seeing the recipe is basically easy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button because I get these creative ideas about food and I'm always cooking something. So enjoy. Thank you. Okay, we're hot.
Well, pardon my look today, but if you zoom into this burger looks really good, and I don't.
It's an Oklahoma onion burger with chili, cheese, and mustard, and pickles.
Where'd you eat this at?
I just started up today. And with grilled jalapenos. So it might have a kick.
Let's see. It's messy. It's bomb.
Tell me-
Definitely nothing you don't get at a fast food restaurant or anything.
Really? I was just gonna ask you, tell me where in LA I could get a burger like that.
Nowhere.
You taste that chili?
The chili's bomb, everything blends together. Tastes bomb. Bomb, 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 bomb.
So on a 1 to 10, what'd you give me?
12.
12. Oh, right on. High five on that one. I like when I get compliments. All right, we're on.
What do you think? Look over there to Pablo.
15.
A 15, Delta.
Oh, you give me a 15?
Yeah.
Is it that good? All right, high five on a 15. All right. Thank you, Logan.
Welcome.